Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Chrome is current and, if helpful, signed into your Google account so settings sync. Once done, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. Make sure you are in the browser where you want Browsec installed. This avoids adding it to the wrong profile. Now search for Browsec in the Store search field, read the short extension summary to confirm publisher identity, and get ready to install by locating the Add to Chrome button. You'll click Add to Chrome and a permission dialog appears explaining what Browsec needs. Read these briefly because they control how the extension works. After you accept, Chrome downloads and installs it automatically, and you should see Browsec's icon near the address bar. If you want it pinned for easy access, click the Extensions menu and pin Browsec. Once the icon is visible, click it to open the quick setup and choose your preferred plan or free mode to start the proxy. You now configure Browsec by selecting a server region and toggling protection on or off. This sets the proxy for your tab or entire browser depending on the extension settings. Make sure to adjust permissions if you need incognito support by visiting Chrome//extensions and enabling access. If pages fail to load, try disabling other proxy or VPN extensions to avoid conflicts, clear browser cache, and if that fails, remove Browsec and reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.